Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious nut smoothie. First, gather your ingredients for a creamy, nutritious drink. Soaking your nuts, like almonds or walnuts, for at least 4 hours or overnight is crucial for a smooth texture. This step helps them blend easily and improves digestibility. You'll also need a ripe banana, your preferred milk, and a sweetener like honey or dates. Feel free to add spices like cinnamon for extra flavor. Once your nuts are properly soaked, drain and rinse them well. This ensures a clean taste and helps with blending. Next, prepare your banana. A frozen banana is highly recommended as it contributes to a wonderfully thick milkshake-like consistency without needing extra ice. If using fresh, ensure it's very ripe for natural sweetness. Finally, measure out 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's almond, cashew, or regular dairy milk. For the smoothest result, begin by adding your soaked nuts and just a splash of milk to your high-powered blender. Blend these until they form a fine, uniform paste. This prevents grittiness and creates a better base. Then, gradually introduce the sliced banana, the rest of your milk, and any sweeteners like honey or dates. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, stopping to scrape down the sides if needed. Your delicious nut smoothie is now ready. Pour it into a chilled glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste and texture. For an added touch, you can garnish your smoothie with a sprinkle of chopped nuts, a few chia seeds, or some fresh fruit. This not only looks appealing, but also adds a delightful crunch. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic containers and other great deals. Enjoy your nutritious and satisfying drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.